Middlesex County, where hands-on learning leads to boundless opportunities. Our community understands the value of apprenticeships, where tradition meets innovation and skills become careers. Here, apprenticeships aren't just a pathway, they're a tradition deeply ingrained in our culture. From welding the future to crafting exceptional woodwork, apprentices master their trades under the guidance of seasoned mentors. This is Middlesex at work. As a student, Middlesex County provides the perfect environment for you to launch your career. Local trade schools and businesses offer hands-on training and mentorship, allowing you to refine your craft while earning a living.
My name is George Buesink, owner of Buesink Welding and Repair. I'm located in Strathroy, Ontario in Middlesex County. Buesink Welding is a custom fabrication shop specializing in all sorts of materials: stainless steel, steel, and aluminum. We do custom fabrication, manufacturing, and repair of many various items. I learned about the co-op program through an email that I received, and when Joey came on board, it was a great program to let him get his hours to attain his red seal. The enthusiasm that a post-secondary student brings, the maturity level that they have, the eagerness to show up, the eagerness to work, the eagerness to learn the trade is just fantastic to see.
Imagine acquiring specialized skills, gaining the knowledge needed to excel in your chosen trade, and building a foundation for a fulfilling career.
I chose the apprenticeship route because I knew I would be working, learning, and making money. I always knew I wanted to be a welder. At old jobs, I would do little welding jobs, and I really liked it. School was never my forte, and I really liked getting my hands on and getting my hands dirty. I knew welding was for me.
Middlesex County is eager to support you in forging your own path so that you can take pride in your craft.
I think it's an excellent opportunity to invest in the future workforce. When you see young people getting into a trade that I'm passionate about, when they are equally as passionate about it, when they grow and you grow alongside them, the way that they're able to absorb the abundance of knowledge that is brought in with a whole crew of people, and they can find the real-world solutions for real problems in the trade.
I enjoy Buesink because they have the time to work with me, help me harness my skills, and I work with people. They see me doing something wrong, they're going to stop me and show me what I'm actually supposed to be doing and help me learn.
Whether you aspire to be a master electrician, a skilled brick mason, or a precision machinist, we invite you to a community that recognizes the value of hands-on learning and respects your dedication.
You can tell the difference in attitude and attendance and their overall work performance. It's just a great way to have a relationship with somebody, but to also see them passionate and excel and want to fill that role in the need for trades.
For more information on local employment, volunteer, and cooperative education opportunities, or for further information on Middlesex at Work, please visit workinmiddlesex.ca.